Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out starting up the Lexus LS400, the 94 model. I've been standing without very little power for a long time. So then, as not so untypical for this one, that's when stand without power for long, not everything is coming up right away. The lights come up when I started it and jump out again, and it's been like this before too. Changed out this display, so that should be working for a long time. This is ordinary as they come. Yeah, this is a 94 model, so it's 30 years old this year, so I can start to put it out as a classic car and then use it with a lot of cheaper insurance and things like that. So I can have plates on it without using a lot of money. So that's nice. I was thinking to have the startup in the front of the video, but I just show it a little here now. One problem that I have come, I think I hit something in the garage once it was in there a year or something ago. Exhaust, I get a problem. I'm not sure where it is because I haven't been under checking and how to find out. But yeah, I have exhaust coming out somewhere. It's very difficult to find out from inside the car and also from outside, so you just have to get into the system and check. See, my brake pedal is not perfect, so I have some leakage maybe there. Have a handbrake. It's just indicating I don't have brakes. was hoping to get it loose from the ice. It's just a lot of ice around the car, so I don't get it to loosen up. That was more or less what I believed. So with this noise, I'm just going to make a lot of noise for neighbors, so it's no point. Just let it heat up a little, and then we can think about what I have to do to get this back on the plates. Last time, many years ago now, it was at air control and MOT, and there it was talk about upper A arms in the front, and I have two new ones lying in the back of the car. At least I have been buying them if they're not gone, so that I have parts, and one was a little loose in the up and A arm in the, I think it was the right hand backside here, and then it was a little too little fluid for the windows wiper. I don't remember much more, but of course after been standing for some years after that, it's going to be some rust on the brake and things. So yeah, I just have to take it to a control and see. I can try to find the, don't think I have the paper here. No, I don't think so. I just have to check through what I have. Yeah, I found my registration for when I get it into Norwegian plates and fixed up and get plates on it. That was back in 2013, so it's 11 years ago. And most of that time it have been without plates. Many years now, just standing waiting for it to get old enough. So now we just have to fix it up so I can start enjoying it again, because I was using it a little. Now we are going to the end of February. March is supposed to be the spring month, but we are in Norway. It's not common for March to be a spring, but yeah, we are optimistic. Could be. But this is a very nice car in my eyes. I like it. Go open here and get in more lights. I was just sitting in the darkness, but here we have the opening, so it's just open. Yeah, I'm coming back with more about this car. Hopefully the snow is going away a little more. The ice hopefully soon is going to let go here, so we can move forward. My oldest son's 2000 model Celica, that was in the front. We have a 98 model that I was buying for him, but then I found the 2000 model cheap, and the 98 was also cheap. But then I can take the 2000 model to MOT air control, and then I can take this one, and then we have to see which other cars we're going to take. I'm starting to think a lot more about some bigger projects that need more work. The 72 model Celica, the 77 Celica liftback. Yeah, I have a friend who have been painting a lot, both cars and oil rigs and a lot of different things during the years, and he start to really get interested. He would like to start painting a little more again. And then I said, then we help each other. He helped to train me a little about painting, and he helped me paint a little, and I help him getting some more equipment and things. So hopefully during this spring or summer or autumn, or maybe next winter, if things go like I was hoping, then we can start to see a lot of things happen on this channel. A lot of bigger projects, start working on them and start to get more things out on the road again, because it's been very slow since COVID was coming. We haven't given up. Now it's time to start pushing the metal to the floor. Isn't that what you say in USA? Put the pedal to the floor and start getting things done. Now I'm going to start see if I can finish some cars and sell them. On some cars I maybe start selling just as they're standing. If everything go by the book now, the Outlander that I had some videos about that my oldest boy was using when he was training for driving, that one is hopefully sold tomorrow. So then we get in some money that we can start using on the other cars here and then move things forward finally. Please come back, please subscribe, and please like the channel, like the video. I'm going to put in a lot of links to other videos about this car in the description under the video. So thank you.